Welcome guys. Today we will have continuation of the earlier class. We designed a checkbox form and application here. We have our application with 4 checkboxes and a text box and submit button now. Today let us code and run our example application. So come, let's dive in. Let's put our following code in the code editor window. For the form 1 load, for the button 1 click event, we have to put our condition here, okay? Now we will do for our checked events, okay? What we will do when checked is true. When the above code is executed and run using our start button available at the Microsoft Studio toolbar, it shows our following window. Okay, now check all the boxes. Clicking our submit button, we will see our message box. Okay, thanks for watching and hope you have mastered the skills of today's classes. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next class.